Good morning, everyone. Please turn on your camera. Barira, Al Fatih, Aishin,
Morning,
and
madam.
Jawan. Barira, you're having the retest today, okay? Think you didn't attend one exam, right, Barira?
What? Hmm?
You didn't attend one exam, one assessment.
I isn't all, I'm pretty sure.
Did you attend all the assessments? Let me check. Just 1 minute. Can you just give me 1 minute?
I'm just going.
So I think Sidra didn't join. Right?
Yes.
She was going to join, but I think she left.
Hmm?
Okay, so very good morning to everyone. How is the climate there, Aishin? Is it too cold there?
Same in India, very good. So good.
Okay, so who is going to present the thought today? Barira,
Huh?
can you present the thought today, dear?
Okay, I went to Winterland
Mm.
and I met my friends which played with me in swimming.
Okay, so you're going for swimming class, dear.
Yeah, today.
Today you join. Yeah, that's a really nice thing. Okay. So how is
Look,
it?
see,
How was the class? How was the class?
after the class is over, then my swimming starts.
Okay,
So I have to
so
go.
when does the class starts?
Um, The only thing I know when it starts is like when the whole class is over.
Oh, okay. You don't know the timing. Like during the evening, usually you used to have the class
Mm-mm.
or morning session.
Mm, morning session.
Okay. So anyone is there in this class who knows swimming? Al Fatih, Jovan, Aishin, do you know swimming?
My favorite parts are doing
You know,
backflips in the
okay,
water.
that's great. And what about Jovan and Aishin?
It's actually really easy. You just grab onto the wall and then you just flip yourself over. Everybody's going to blah, 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 blah. Everybody's just saying like blah, 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 like that. Now, ma'am is glitched. Instead of Joanne is stuck and ma'am is stuck. And that's it.
Can you hear me now? My
But
network was gone because of that.
okay,
I,
okay, okay.
I think
Mm.
everyone had a network issue.
Joanne,
I can't see
what?
Aishin, Jovan, and Al
Everybody's camera
Fatih.
is turning off and on.
Maybe because
Ma'am,
of the.
everybody's camera is turned off.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
I can see only Barira. I can't see anyone else. Jovan, can you just turn on your camera? Or you're having any network issue?
See, ma'am, look, I can actually go inside my
Yeah, I
screen like
can
a
see
portal.
Jovan now.
A portal.
Yes, Barira?
Network issue, ma'am. Look, do you
Yeah, I
want to
can.
see? I can go inside my sharing screen like a portal.
Okay.
I can go inside my screen like a portal. So then I have to. No, wait, why am I coloring? I'm not supposed to color. Stop donating. Okay, then you zoom into it. There. I'm inside it. Look, I'm inside it. It's like an optical illusion that you're going through a tunnel. Okay,
It looks like
wham.
we are going through a
Ah!
tunnel, right?
Yeah, okay.
And I can see my name also.
Ding, ding, ding. Wait, can anyone try the same thing as me?
No,
Dun-dun.
no.
Can
Okay, so
anyone try the same
which is
thing
the
as me?
first hour for you today?
Second language.
Okay, second language. Okay. So, Barira, you opted which second language, dear? Arabic or Hindi?
Arabic.
Okay. And Al-Fatih, what about you, dear?
Arabic.
Arabic. And
A
Jawan?
big brain.
Jawan, your second language is Hindi, right?
It's Hindi.
Okay. And Aishin, what about you, dear?
Barira, did you make the longest list? List in Infinite Chef?
So, you're not having any second language, Aishin?
In Arabic.
Arabic. Okay. So, most of you are in Arabic. Okay. Okay. Okay.
No, we are in another class.
Yes, dear?
We are in another Alpha and Barira is
Yes.
one class and me is in another
Hi,
class.
Sidra.
Aishan is in the secondary Arabic. We are in the primary Arabic.
Hi, Sidra. Can you
Hi,
hear me?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
I
want
can
to
hear
tell you
you, ma'am.
something, dear. You are having a retest today. You didn't attend the exam, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Just 1 minute, dear. I will just tell you